My name is Eric Barber, and I'm an American. Last year, my gym, Next Generation CrossFit, held the first annual Nerf gun war on New Year's Day. We decided to do a little friendly game of adults versus the kids. And let me tell you, it got real ugly real quick.
All right, so here's the deal. I kind of underestimated these kids. These kids are a little crazy. They're breaking every rule. So we get them.
It scarred me, man. I went to a pretty dark place. There's a lot I can't talk about. I've dragged wounded buddies out of the line of fire. I've been shot in the face. I've had guns jam at the worst possible time. I was even shot in the back with an RPG. I've seen some of my closest friends crumble and start crying for their mommies. I've seen them go completely berserk. Nerf war is hell, man. I've seen the enemy up close. And let me tell you, they're nothing but a bunch of low-down, dirty, ammo-stealing, whiny, crying, cheating, shoot you in the back types. They're disorganized. They're lazy. Bunch of rule breakers with runny noses. And they're always pooping their pants. And they must be stopped. So this year, I have assembled a team of highly trained professionals who have gone through agonizing physical and mental torture to prepare for this year's second annual Nerf run. And we've honed our skills by watching R-rated war movies. We've been reading books with no pictures. We've had extensive combat training. We've tightened up our diets. I'm pure paleo, pure paleo. Just this morning, I had my coffee strained through a dirty sock and had some fresh roadkill. My advice to the kiddos, stay home. Stay home and cuddle up to your little bowl of chocolate-covered sugar bombs and watch your little cartoons. Because the second annual Next Gen Nerf War is clearly an adult's game, and we plan to dominate this year.